One of the key features of PACES is its ability to export audit data in Excel spreadsheet, which then allows the user to conduct further statistical analysis and create more sophisticated charts. If a user wants to export their raw data in Excel, data should be entered individually for each sample or participant rather than doing aggregate. In this example, a project has already been set up with 3 data collection cycles: baseline, follow-up 1, and follow-up 2. All data for each cycle have been entered individually for each sample. So how is that done? Say you want to enter data for another participant in follow-up 2. Click this cycle, go to Data Collection tab, click Submit Records, and choose Individual at the top right-hand corner. Choose the correct site, and key in a sample or participant identifier. It can be a text, numeric, or a combination. Although this is optional, it is good practice to put in an identifier so you can easily track which sample or participants have already been recorded. So for this example, I will use participant Z as the identifier. Fill in the record date, and then you can start entering data for this individual sample. Click Submit and select how you wish to continue. Once you have entered all your data and ready to export, click Go Back to Overview and go to the project dashboard. Here you will see the export function. Click Export and choose either XLSV or CSV. I've chosen XLSV, and you can see down the bottom your exported file. In the exported file, go to the Individual tab. And as you can see, data are organized in a spreadsheet where answers to one criterion are listed in one column, except when the multiple checkbox is chosen in PACES for a custom criteria. So where a multiple checkbox is used in PACES, every possible answer is listed in its own column. Example is shown in columns S to W. If a particular answer option is chosen, it is written in the cell under the appropriate column. If a respondent did not choose a particular answer option, the cell under that column is blank. Each row in the spreadsheet contains the answer set for a given sample or a participant and includes their site, data collection cycle, date of data entry, data collector, and the email address of the data collector and the participant ID.